Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be discussing about Brand24 and this is a best AI social listening tool. Now before we dive in, you can head over to the link in the description to get the extended free trial as well as exclusive benefits and rewards out of this platform. Coming onto the platform, you can see first we can connect our different social media platforms onto this site, like for example Facebook, Twitter, X, or videos related to YouTube, and all that will be displayed in here in this dashboard. I have currently added a keyword which is Burger King, and it is displaying everything related to Burger King and all from different platforms. So you can simply filter out different platforms and connect your accounts as well. That will be giving you much more details. On the left side you can see the summary, the analysis, comparisons, different platforms, and all the stats are being displayed nicely according to the keyword that you enter. I've currently added Burger King again, and super awesome for research purposes, and if you are simply AI social listening about different topics and hot stories, so you can do that in here. So this is going to be an amazing platform for you. Now make sure to head over to the link in the description to access the platform and get extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards. So thank you so much for watching. Until next time, take care and goodbye.